Hey, I get asked this question all the time. Being 23 years in the car business, I get asked this question once a week. Can you make a bad credit with great income? Heck yeah! Let me just give you an example. Had a customer last month call me. Actually, she had to Google me because I hadn't seen her in about 10 years. She said the last time she saw me, she was like, Regina, I want to get a Chevy Suburban. That's my dream car. Let me just tell you how she did it. She bought a $32,000 Chevy Suburban, 2018, 65,000 miles on it. She put down 20%. Now 20% of $32,000 is $6,400. She put her money where her mouth is because she had bad credit with great income. Credit score was 525. Now, yes, she's in the double digits. She's paying 17%. I gave her two suggestions. She belonged to Bank of America. I gave her a card to someone that I know that works at a local credit union. She's paying 17% now, which is double digits. I told her to go open up an account next month. 6 months to 1 year, she will be able to refinance that loan and get out of the double digits and go to single digits. Why? It's because she will be in an equity position. 65,000 miles on 2018, she put $20,000 down. She put her money where her mouth is. If you're looking to go get your dream vehicle or the vehicle you've been wanting for years and you have bad credit but great income, put your money where your mouth is. You see it's $1, right? But put your money where your mouth is. That's my big tip for today.